Hi, I'm Laura Nunez, a PhD student in biomedical engineering, going into my 4th year. Perhaps you're considering grad school but lack undergraduate research experience and are feeling a little bit anxious about it. Today, I want to share some creative ways to prepare if you're in that situation. First, get familiar with the world of research. Read a few recent review papers in the field you're interested in. It will be hard but worth it. Attend department seminars or virtual conferences. You'll start picking up the language and seeing what excites you. Even shadowing a graduate student for a day can give you valuable perspective. Second, build your toolkit. Learn basic coding in Python or MATLAB. Explore data analysis or try image processing softwares like ImageJ. You can use free online resources to get started, and these skills will help you form a solid foundation for when you do get into a lab. Third, work on small independent projects. It could be a class project where you collect and analyze data, or an online science project like Zooniverse or Folded. Treat them like real research. Enunciate a question, test it, and present your findings. Finally, reach out to professors or grad students in your department. Ask about reading groups, lab tours, or volunteer opportunities. Building these relationships can open doors. And recommendation letters often come from people who see your potential and trust your work. Remember, grad school is about your ability to learn, think critically, and adapt, not just what's already on your resume. Start where you are, take small steps, and you'll be ready when the opportunity comes.